We're all about cool kitchen and home gadgets, especially when they make cooking more enjoyable or improve daily life. In this video, we'll show you 18 kitchen and home gadgets on Amazon. Let's get started. This mirror features double lights for superior illumination, with both front and backlit LED strip lights, providing ample brightness for all your grooming needs. Customization is key with this mirror. You can easily adjust the color temperature between 3000K, 4000K, and 6000K, or dim the brightness to your preferred level using 3 simple touch buttons. The convenient memory function remembers your settings for next time. Say goodbye to foggy mirrors with the built-in anti-fog feature. The mirror's defogger disperses fog from the center outwards, ensuring a clear reflection even in steamy bathrooms. This sturdy 2-tier sliding wire basket system is designed to maximize space and efficiency in your kitchen cabinets. Built to fit 12-inch cabinets with an 8.5-inch opening, this organizer measures 8.75 inches wide, 22 inches deep, and 19 inches high. The durable chrome wire construction ensures long-lasting performance while keeping the unit lightweight at just 15 pounds. Featuring a full extension ball bearing system, this pull-out shelf slides smoothly for easy access to your kitchen items. Despite its sleek design, it's impressively strong, capable of holding up to 100 pounds of weight. This organizer combines smooth functionality with durability for an unparalleled organization experience. Experience whisper-quiet operation with the carefully engineered damping guide rail. Tested rigorously, it ensures reliable use, easy accessibility, and impressive sturdiness. Say goodbye to noisy cabinet drawers and hello to seamless organization. Installation is a breeze with the included nano-adhesive strips. These strong bonds provide stability and durability without the need for drilling. This comprehensive collection includes everything you need for culinary success. 2 fry pans, a deep fry pan with lid, 2 saucepans with lids, 2 casseroles with lids, and 2 silicone utensils. Experience the joy of non-stick cooking with the innovative graniteware coating. It prevents food from sticking, allowing you to cook healthier meals with less oil. Even acidic or strong-smelling ingredients won't affect the taste or smell of your food. Designed for superior heat distribution, these pots and pans feature an aluminum core that heats quickly and evenly. This multifunctional rack features a high-low rod design, providing ample space for hanging clothes of various lengths, from shirts to long skirts. Maximize your storage with the bottom shelf, perfect for shoes or storage boxes. The 4 side hooks offer additional hanging options for accessories like hats, scarves, and bags. Mobility is a key feature of this garment rack. It comes equipped with 4 360-degree rotating wheels, including 2 lockable ones for stability when needed. These wheels are designed to move quietly without scratching your floors. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for a well-equipped kitchen. 2 frying pans, 2 saucepans with lids, a stock pot with lid, a stainless steel steamer, and various baking essentials. From stovetop cooking to oven baking, this set has you covered. Each piece features a stunning hammered design, bringing a touch of elegance to your kitchen while offering professional-grade performance. The classy look doesn't compromise on functionality. Triple-coated for durability, it ensures easy food release and effortless cleanup without the need for butter or oil. Cook healthier meals with less fuss. This dresser features RGB LED light strip, controllable via button or mobile app. With over 60,000 color options and various modes, including style, music, and microphone, you can customize the ambiance to suit your mood and environment. Stay connected with the built-in charging station. 2 outlets and 2 USB ports allow simultaneous charging of multiple devices, while the side-mounted design ensures safety and durability. Its neutral color complements most decor styles, making it versatile for bedrooms, living rooms, closets, nurseries, and more. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these chafing dishes offer unmatched food insulation and durability. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, wedding, or graduation ceremony, ZILODE chafing dishes ensure your food stays fresh and warm throughout the event. Combining functionality, safety, and style, these dishes are the perfect addition to any party or event. These elegantly designed chafing dishes will not only keep your food warm, but also add a touch of sophistication to your buffet setup, earning you praise from your guests. This powerful cleaner features strong suction that effectively lifts stains from carpets, upholstery, and even auto interiors. Whether you're dealing with mud, wine spills, or pet accidents, this spot cleaner is up to the task. Weighing in at less than 11 pounds, this lightweight and portable cleaner is designed for convenience. It's ready to go wherever you need it, making it perfect for quick cleanup of unexpected messes. The dual-tank system allows for easy filling and emptying during cleaning sessions. Plus, your purchase includes a trial size of cleaning formula to get you started right away. Crafted with quality hardened stainless steel blades, these scissors effortlessly cut through a variety of materials. From cardboard and twine to meat, vegetables, and herbs, they're up for any challenge. They're perfect for food preparation, cooking, and general household use. The ergonomically designed handles feature a comfort grip coating for stability and cushioning pads to absorb pressure while cutting. Whether you have large or small hands, and whether you're left or right-handed, these scissors provide a comfortable grip and smooth operation. This solid bottom, two-tier adjustable cabinet organizer features a protective soft close mechanism, ensuring smooth and quiet operation every time. It's the ideal addition to any home kitchen looking to optimize cabinet space. Experience the convenience of full extension with the soft close concealed slide system. This feature allows easy access to all your stored items while ensuring the drawer closes gently and quietly. The solid composite bottom won't warp, crack, or bend, keeping your items secure. The heavy-gauge, powder-coated metal wire construction adds to its robustness, with each shelf capable of holding up to 75 pounds. This lamp features adjustable brightness with 4 levels, allowing you to control the melting speed of your candles. The stronger the light, the faster the candle melts, releasing its fragrance naturally and evenly. It's perfect for creating a relaxing ambience while reading, working out, or sleeping. Versatility is key with this warmer. Its adjustable height, ranging from 1.9 to 5.7 inches, accommodates various candle sizes. The sturdy wooden base with non-slip pads ensures stability and adds a touch of elegance to any room. This set combines functionality with style to keep your bathroom clean and hygienic. The set features a toilet brush with thick, sturdy bristles designed for 360-degree deep cleaning. These bristles tackle stubborn stains without deforming, ensuring long-lasting performance. This upgrade prevents splashback and provides a better user experience. The professional-grade suction cup efficiently solves various blockage problems, while the comfortable handle offers greater support during use. This versatile grinder combines precision, convenience, and quiet operation for an exceptional coffee experience. Adjust your grind with ease using the timing knob, marked from coarse to fine. Whether you prefer French press or espresso, you can achieve the ideal grind size for your brewing method. The removable grinding cup holds up to 2.5 ounces of beans, enough for 10 cups of coffee. This feature makes filling and cleaning a breeze. With an average noise level of just 63 decibels, this grinder lets you prepare your morning brew without disturbing sleeping family members. This device combines convenience, style, and functionality in one compact package. With a generous 20-ounce capacity, it's perfect for carrying your favorite meals and leftovers. The seal and store lid ensures minimal spillage during transport, so you can carry your lunch with confidence. Designed for easy use, this lunchbox features a detachable cord that slides off for convenient storage. When it's time to eat, simply plug it in and let it work its magic. Style meets substance with its modern vintage aesthetic in sleek black licorice. These versatile organizers are designed to bring order to every room in your house. With their large capacity and clear design, these bins are perfect for creating an organized refrigerator or pantry. But don't stop there. Use them in your office, entryway, closet, bedroom, or even your kids' toy room. These functional bins can be placed side by side for instant organization. Whether you're in a dorm room, apartment, RV, or house, these bins adapt to your space and needs. From craft supplies to laundry essentials, they handle it all with ease. This isn't just an oven, it's a culinary command center for your countertop. The star feature is the innovative flex door design, creating two separate cooking spaces in one appliance. Use the top oven for quick snacks or open the full door to cook two meals simultaneously, two different ways. Flavor Seal technology ensures that aromas don't cross between ovens, keeping your dish's flavors distinct and delicious. And with Smart Finish technology, you can synchronize both ovens to finish cooking at the same time, perfect for coordinated meals. These treads offer tape-free installation with an amazing non-slip backing that sticks like magic without damaging your hardwood or leaving residue. Measuring 9.5 inches by 30 inch by 1.2 inch, these protective treads fit most indoor home stairs perfectly. They shield your stairway from daily wear and tear, reduce noise, and are suitable for all hard floors, including oak and other hardwood surfaces. Crafted from soft material in a simple, solid light beige design with a bullnose edge, these treads combine style with functionality. They're exceptionally durable, warm and comfortable underfoot, and easy to clean.